Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Gadgets. In this video, we will cover 4 such lighting gadgets which you can use on a daily basis. Gadget number 1, this is a USB light which has this flexible handle where you can mold your light as per your requirement, which this is very flexible. All you need to do is you just plug this USB into any USB port, maybe power bank or anything, and this produces a soft light. Let's move on to the second gadget. This is from Ikea, but this is also a USB port light, but it has more flexible. This also you need to plug into your any USB hub, just like this, but this produces a harsh light. If you are typing keyboard in a dark room, then this is very useful, which doesn't have a backlit keyboard and all. uh, the reason why I purchased this is that this is more flexible. Wherever I want, whenever I want, however I want, I can flex it. But if I consider this one, this has only one uh, option, so I can't turn it like this, and so it is not that much flexible as this one. That is the reason I have bought this one. I am from Hyderabad, so I bought this from Ikea Hyderabad. If you are in and around Hyderabad, please visit once Ikea. I'm not a brand ambassador for Ikea, but it is a good place to have good ideas. How, so if you see this one, this is I have decorated. I have created by myself by visiting many times Ikea, and this is from Ikea. It's a good time to spend and also good time to learn, especially if you are a interior designer. And let's move on to third one. I think you can see from here, this is a beautiful lighting piece where you need two batteries. You need to place it, and if you switch on it, this is a beautiful lamp which you can use it in the night. It looks very good in the dark room. Right now I'm shooting in the daytime, but this is a beautiful lighting lamp. Even you can gift it to somebody else, and even you can keep it by yourself. And by the way, this is also available in Ikea. You don't get this in Amazon. And let's move on to the final one. This is a clip lamp. You don't need to plug in any USB. This has built-in charger. You need to charge, and you can keep it on the desk wherever you want. You don't need an USB, so you just click here and you can use it just like this. And you might be wondering why I have bought this one. I read a lot, so all I need to do is, you see this clip. In the nights I can't switch on my lights in my room, so but still I want to read it. I can put this clip like this, and you see I'm a book reader, so I'll pick one book and I can switch on this and I can start reading. This has got 3 modes: one very soft white light, another warm light, another and a mix of light and warm light. So this is very useful in a travel. I take this one, and this is also used, can be useful like a torch light. Okay, you see, that's all in this video. I hope you like this gadget. Please like, share and subscribe, and also please click on the links below if you want to buy it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.